Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Ayan. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Malamig pa rin. And the weather for today is about 12 degrees. So, ayan, basta ganyan. Malamig pa rin sa umaga. And maayong buntag sa tanan. Good morning everyone again. And today is Monday, June 2, everyone. Start kahapon ng June. So, it's blessed dahil Sunday ang unang araw ng ating June. So, ayun lang everyone. It's already 4:10. So, kailangan kong magmadali. Dahil na-late ako ng 3 minutes sa paglabas. Medyo marami pang preparation. Ayun. Salamat sa Panginoon at nagising niya ako sa araw na, sa umagang ito. Blessed morning. Monday morning, everyone. See you after 15 minutes walk and 1 bus, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm at the venue at work. But it's cold. Cold. Kaya kakain kami. Time check. It's already 5:18. Oh, may ganap dito sa Imperial kasi food festival malapit na, so kaya mayroon silang ganyang event. So that's it at the moment. See you after 3 hours. Good morning everyone. I'm going to my extra. Graduation pala ngayon sa Imperial. Kaya, ayun, busy sila nga. Pero hindi kami ngayon busy. Sila lang. Yung daytime cleaner lang. Yan everyone. See you everyone. Ayan, ang dami. Malawak ang Imperial. Ayan, marami. Yan ay mga graduation. Saan part may graduation. Ito yung front. Yung talan. Yung doon yung nilalabasan. Nag-ikot dahil maaga pa. Mag-aaga pa ako sa pupunta. Yan ang entrance. Ayan. Good morning everyone. Time check. 9:44. Dito ako sa Sloan Square, everyone. Ayan, may mga pawatawat. Pawatawat sila. Ng UK. Naghanap ako ng lowest long. Yan, everyone. May paano dito sila eh. May pakain. Ay, hindi. Pakain. Sorry. Ito yung tindahan na park. Dito yung tindahan. Kung ano-ano. And then, pwede kang kumain dyan. So, ayan. Dito lang ako. May hahanapin ako. Merong hahanapin na nawawala. Everyone. Sa train station, District Line. Update 10:43. Nahanap ko na yung ano. Ayan, dito na ako. Napasugod sa St. Peter Jones dahil malapit naman pala sila dito. Uy, pinaikot lang ako ng city mapper. Ng maps ba? So, dito muna ako sa taas mag-standby. Habang waiting for the hour. Kasi mag-toilet. Yan o, dito. Mataas to. Likod lang nung Spanish Embassy pala yun. Grabe, diba? Spanish Embassy. Spanish. Yeah. Time check. 3:30 in punto. So, I'm gonna get the train station here in Sloan Square. Going to Tower Hill. Papunta naman sa panggabi na racket. Yan. Natapos din ang mag-start ako ng 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. 3:30 ako natapos. So, 4.5. That's it. Yan. See you later, everyone, sa David Games. So, this is my lunch, everyone. After 4 hours of work, my lunch for today. I'm already here. I buy this in Boots. Early bird. Bye everyone! Malimanag pa ang buwan. Ay, wala palang buwan.
Hindi, parang iba lang ni Kuya yun. Tapos,
Perhaps.
Ay, kaya nga.
We're going at the train station.
Kasi naalala ni Kuya ito.
No, go.
Sabi ni Mama, ganun din naman yung pasayad niya, ganun pa rin naman. Sabi.
Today is Monday. Walang tao sa parking. It's the same. So, we in time, everyone. Malamig at mahangin. Ano kasama? shot para igat pa birthday ni Sister Aida. Happy birthday to you. God bless everyone. Good night. Kain tayo bago matulog ng blowout ni Sister Aida pa birthday.